Welcome to this Windows channel, and this is the Tech News Update. We are Tuesday, February 13th, 2018. And today in our Tech News Update, we have the Qualcomm Snapdragon 845 chip that apparently in some benchmarks is showing that it is much more powerful and a great improvement over the 835, and that this is showing up as being something that will probably be amazing in powering the next generation of phones and of tablets. And of course, we keep thinking at the same time of Windows 10 on ARM, which is going to be interesting to see running on that. Well, in a surprise move, Microsoft says that they are going to actually move the advanced threat protection from Windows Defender to Windows 7 and Windows 8.1, which is kind of surprising when you think that they are trying to kind of kill these versions. So apparently this is coming this spring. Xbox One. We never have numbers. Microsoft never releases, the number of consoles sold. But according to a report that claims that Microsoft has sold 35 million Xbox One. And that claim, of course, it is not an official claim from Microsoft, but kind of, puts it about halfway of the sales of the PlayStation 4, which is about double. So for every, Xbox sold, there's 2 PlayStation sold. And, it might not look great when you think like that, but apparently it's actually good numbers for Microsoft. So laptops, according to TrendForce, that looks at, market trends and sales. Well, apparently the laptop sales actually grew in 2017. And for the first time in years, HP is the biggest seller with an increase year over year of 20% in sales. But Apple enjoyed really healthy sales of its laptops also. And according to TrendForce, that is going to continue as a trend in 2018. Iceland is powering most of its residents and businesses with renewable energy. But they say that there is a big problem right now. All the cryptocurrency mining of all the servers, the computers, and everywhere that it's actually being done across the country means that soon the cryptocurrency mining will actually take more power from the grid than all of the residents combined. And they say that's a huge problem that they got to actually tackle. And it shows you how cryptocurrency mining is actually a plague and really being a big problem in many different aspects of technology. Well, ransomware is not much in the news lately, but don't be fooled. Research is showing that attacks have increased 90% year over year. And that is, showing that these people that want to steal your money are really still working hard to do so. And the number one way of getting infected is still opening attachments in emails. Skype has a major bug that actually gives attackers system-level privileges, meaning they can pretty much do whatever they want. Well, Microsoft says it will stay unfixed, and it seems that they would need to do a major rewrite of the code. So Microsoft decided to simply continue work on its next version and leave the bug pretty much open. So is that a good idea? I'm not sure. Amazon is, of course, still looking at where it's going to place its second headquarters, but at the same time, it's cutting hundreds of jobs at its Seattle headquarters, stating that it is overstaffed. So, I don't know, you're cutting a lot of jobs there and you're going to create another headquarters somewhere else. Kind of interesting. Microsoft officially announced build that will be from May 7th to May 9th, 2018. It overlaps Google I/O, and it's probably not on purpose, but probably was too late to reschedule. Registration is starting February the 15th. And finally, Android P. What will be the name? Well, according to internal documents at Google, Android P, or Android 9, is named internally Pistachio Ice Cream. Will that be the case? I don't know. It could be popsicle, it could be pancake, it could be many things. It's going to be interesting to see what the name is going to be. And this was the Tech News Update for Tuesday, February 13th, 2018. If you enjoy our videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.